Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create an account on Tradovate. First, go to Tradovate.com and click on Open an Account. Enter your email address or continue with Google or Apple. Verify your email by opening the message in your inbox and clicking Confirm Email. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your username and password and click Create Account. Now you need to choose the type of account. If you select a simulation account, you do not need to enter personal financial information. This option is for practice trading. You can access the platform and start using simulated funds without completing identity verification. If you want to open a live trading account, you must provide your personal information. First, select the account type. You can choose individual, joint, IRA, or another available option. Select the one that fits your situation and continue. Next, enter your first name and last name. Then select your country of residence. After that, enter your home address and phone number. Click Continue. On the next page, enter your date of birth and continue again. You will now answer several questions. These may include your employment status, financial details, trading experience, and whether you are a professional trader. Answer all questions carefully and honestly. After completing all sections, click Accept and Continue. Your application will be submitted for review. Finally, upload a copy of your passport and your driver's license for identity verification. Once approved, your live account will be created. Thanks for watching.